When we introduced PHP, we mentioned that PHP scripts can interact with MySQL databases through Apache to perform various tasks. In this section of the course, we'll explore a very important part of web development. We'll be communicating instructions and storing user input into a database using PHP. Database-driven web applications can do much more than static web pages because they allow for dynamic functionality. To illustrate this, think of some of your favorite websites that you use each day. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Netflix, among others. Each one of these websites is powered by a database. Regardless of the type of database these web applications use, all of their customer information, user preferences, and browsing habits are stored in a database. The web applications then use some type of scripting language, such as PHP, to access this information and create user-customized web pages on the fly and in real time. If you've never worked with a database, don't worry. You've probably worked with Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. You know that each spreadsheet is composed of rows and columns, and that we can have multiple sheets in a single workbook. A database works almost the same way. The database is the equivalent of the workbook. Database tables are equivalent to worksheets. Each table contains rows and columns, just like a worksheet. There are some basic properties that each database has. A database must have a name. A database contains one or more tables. Each table must have a name. The name should be relevant to the type of data the table stores. For example, a table that stores customer information can be named customer. Each table is composed of rows and columns. A column is also referred to as a field. Each field must have a unique heading. For example, a table that stores customer names could have two fields, first name and last name. The rows in the table contain the data corresponding to the fields. Each field has its own unique attributes. We'll explore the attributes later in this section.